Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables, and today I want to spotlight the Roulette Habanero. This is a 2018 All America Selections winner, and I actually have two plants growing in there. You can grow two peppers right next to each other. As long as they're in the ground or a large container, they're not going to compete with each other, and you can get twice as much production by growing two plants in a single space. The Roulette Habanero has a really cool characteristic. It has no heat. It is not hot in any way, except when you get close to the seeds. It has a little bit of heat, maybe like, I don't know, a fifth of a jalapeno. The outer flesh, the brilliant red flesh of the pepper, just has that great citrus habanero flavor. And why might you want to use this? Well, one, they're about a 1 ounce fruit. They're great for stuffing. If you're making the habanero hot sauces, and you want more of the citrus flavor and less heat, you use one hot habanero, but you can go ahead and put in, 8 to a dozen of these into the hot sauce, and you'll get the wonderful citrus flavor, but you're keeping the heat at a minimum. They're beautiful to look at. There's at least, I'd say at least 30 to 40 peppers on these two plants. I'm going to do a harvest video of this and attach it to this video. But some of the characteristics, this plant will get about 3.5 feet tall. It stays well contained. Outstanding disease resistance. There are a couple marks on the leaves, and that's only because in my zone, for the last 10 days of September, we've had crazy rain and humidity, and this plant is holding up really, really well. But look at all the brilliant red habaneros in there with very little heat. I like to say no heat, because people would think, well, habaneros are really hot, so if it has any heat at all, it's too hot for me. This is not. You can de-seed it and you're not going to taste any heat whatsoever, but again, it has that great citrus flavor. All right, let me harvest this and just show you what came off of two plants. What's cool about this plant is you can literally get 10 to 20 peppers per plant ready at once, and then another wave comes in. I've gotten probably I don't know, maybe 60 including these off of each plant. It's easy to get maybe 100 peppers per plant. They just need a good growing season, so I get these started indoors, put them out in May, and that gives me May, June, July, August, September, a good 5 months of growing in the ground, and it's just wonderful production. I harvested 37 red habaneros off of there. Again, this is the Roulette Hab. Only one of them was rotted. Just brilliant red habaneros, about 1 ounce in size, wonderful flavor. And they all, oh, let's call it 38. One more. And there's still green habs on there. Very prolific. A 2018 All America Selections winner. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching.